What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade like a professional on a 1 minute candlestick time, guys. And if you don't know already, we're talking about binary options. 1 minute candlestick expiration times is the most popular times out there. I don't know why, but it's the most comfortable I'm with, and it's a lot of people that are comfortable with this 1 minute expiration time. So we're going to hop right into pocket option. That's all that needs to be said. You're going to learn how to trade on 1 minute candles like a professional so that you can see your money double up in just 1 single minute. Okay, so with the power of trading with binary options, your money could literally double to 92% whatever you invest on just 1 minute, 5 seconds to even 4 hours, guys. And with Forex, the thing about Forex is that it can take all day for your money to double, or it can even take all week for your money to double, and your stop loss can always get hit at any point in time. So that's why we're over here grinding on binary options. And if you want to learn more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And with all that being said, stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Before we start the video, don't forget to check out the links in the description where you can get exclusive investing content, man. Subscribe to the YouTube memberships, and also I do provide coaching calls so that you can reach out to me, get a one-on-one consultation call, and I will help you start any of your businesses that you're willing to get into. Online business, trucking business, because there is a lot of trucking videos over on the channel. And also I will teach you exclusively how to trade and the best tips that I have for your trading success. And guys, throughout this video you will see me lose a couple of trades, but I'm gonna show you how you can redeem yourself and make yourself 10 times more profitable, even though you still lose a couple trades a day. So let's get right into it. Woo! Alright guys, so now we're over here on pocket option. As you can see, man, this is what the dashboard looks like. If you don't know already, these are all the currency pairs that they have to offer. And as you can see, all these currency pairs are OTC, meaning over the counter market, meaning that it's not the real Forex market. As you see down here, it's closed. The real Forex market is closed. And even the ones that are open right now, CAD JPY, one of my favorite pairs to trade on, it is only for a 50% payout, meaning that if you invest $53, you're only going to make $26 back. So that is the thing about that, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and go over all my indicators for you, and so you can see how to trade like how I trade, and a good strategy on this 1 minute time. So the first thing we have is the 3 moving average on SMA. So go ahead and screenshot that. Then we have the 7 EMA moving average, and this is the green line that you're going to see, and the 3 moving average is the red line that you see right here. And pretty much this is just the indicator that when these lines cross, guys, as you can see, we're going downhill, and then when they cross up, we're going to go up. So right here, you can place a minute trade. As soon as it crosses, place that minute trade for whatever position it's crossing in. And then, guys, we have the 200 EMA moving average, which is this blue line you see right here, indicating to us that we are on a down or an up trend. So let's go ahead and go to the 5 minute candlesticks, and you can see that we're on a overall uptrend. But if we go to the 5 seconds, guys, and the recent candlesticks, we're starting to head downward. So that is how the EMA kind of help you out to know the overall push of the chart. And if we go to a different pair, so let's go to an OTC pair here, you can see that this one is on an overall downtrend. But if you go to the 10-second chart, or let's say 30 seconds more reasonable, we're still on a downtrend, meaning that this chart is going to go down. And the way that this is pushing down, guys, I still want to take another down trade for a 1 minute position, just because we have stronger down push even on the 30 seconds, guys. And the stochastic down here is not yet curving up, but at any moment in time this stochastic can curve up. So that is going to be the next indicator I'm going to go over with you guys. We do have the 3, 3, the 20, the 3, and the 3 stochastic oscillator, and then we have a 5, 3, and a 3 stochastic oscillator. And what this does, guys, we have 30 seconds left on this trade, but what this is going to indicate is really it helps out on the 10 seconds, but this is 30 seconds. As you can see, the stochastic is starting to curve up, but on the 20 we're still kind of undersold right here. So if we go to the 10-second, I'll be able to tell if we're going to lose or win this trade or not. and you can see right here we're spiking down. We have 7 seconds left, and we're spiking down on the stochastic, meaning that we're gonna keep going down. And the trade was literally lost in just the last second, guys. So look at this right here. The trade literally lost in the last second. We were right there neck and neck on that. It literally can't be no closer than that. But hey, that is the one candlestick that we got in on too late. But as you can see, guys, on this stochastic on the 10-second, you can see that we're still spiking up a little bit. So since we are spiking up a little bit, you can like go here and place a 15-second for the up position. And once this 5 stochastic gets above this blue line right here, then we're gonna expect the curve back down. And as you can see, guys, we're going to also lose this trade as well. This is why, actually no, we won it in 1 second. But I was just about to say, this is why you don't necessarily want to change up your time frames, guys, because the 1 minute you want to stick with it. And but look right here, guys. So now that we're coming up to this blue line on the 5, meaning that this is what this like short-term action is doing, that the 20 is going to follow it. And since it's not yet to the blue line, this could just come down a little bit in a curve. So I went ahead and put a down position for the 1 minute because we are on a 1 minute candlestick chart, guys. And just look at the resistance right here. This is some resistance or support, if you want to call it. So we're retracing back, and now we're going to start heading back down again. And as you can see, the stochastic is curving. So that is the stochastic oscillator. And also we do have the Bollinger Bands at the 15, sorry guys, 15 period, and a deviation at 1.2. So the this Bollinger Bands right here is pretty much indicating, let's go to a different chart. But as you can see, we're gonna win this trade. 6 seconds left, 5 seconds left, and say no more, we just won that trade. And boom, just so y'all can see it, boom. And so let's just go to a different chart. And as you can see, guys, the Bollinger Bands, if it hits, the candles hits the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, boom, it's gonna go up. It hits the top, it's gonna go down. It hits the bottom, it's gonna go up. And you can tell if the chart is gonna keep going in a direction because the white line right here is the middle line. And if it stays below that middle line, we're just gonna keep heading down. And if it passes this middle line and it goes up, man, place a 1 minute trade for the up direction. So those are all of the indicators, and let's get into some trades, guys, even though I already placed a couple trades just explaining the indicators. But we are on 10-second candlesticks to figure out the time. And if you are a new trader, guys, I do want to go ahead and place this position right here just because I see that it's a lot of support and resistance up here, and we can place another one right here as well. But it's a lot of support and resistance right here, but this has to start making its way back down. We are oversold on the 20 stochastic on the 10 seconds. So if we go to the 5 minute, guys, we're going to go to the 5 minute. You can see that we're on a downtrend, so our position is going to be stronger in the downwards direction just because we're on a downtrend. Now I do see a big wick at the bottom insinuating that we're going up, so we are going up. And we have 30 seconds left. And so now we go to the 1 minute candles. This is what you're trading on, but you don't want to place your trades on this 1 minute candle. So you can see that we're pretty much neck and neck. We have 20 seconds left here, and we're right there. But the reason on this 1 minute candle, we have a good setup right here. I got it at its highest point on this M formation. So you see an M kind of right here, guys, and this is the highest point pretty much. So we just closed the first trade. We have 5 seconds left on this one, and now I could probably even place some more down trades right here. We closed that second trade, and I could probably place more trades right here because we have an M formation right here. And if we go to the 10-second to confirm this M, guys, we are at the highest point still. And if you think your trade is not gonna go in your minute, guys, but you are confident that the trade is still gonna spike down, go ahead and place some more trades as the chart continues to go up because you're extra confident in your predictions, guys. And like I said, you have a M formation. So let me just draw this out for you so you can see what I'm talking about, because I know some of y'all are probably like, what is this man talking about? So actually, that's the wrong tool. Let's get this Ray tool right here. And as you can see, man, we're gonna start right here. I hate pocket options tool settings, but as you can see, we have this M right here. You see that line right there? we're gonna copy that, and then you see that we have, this is the middle of the M. So we did lose one of those trades, guys. We did lose 2 of those trades because the chart is continuing to go up. But if we go to this 2 minute, man, I mean this 10 seconds, you can see that this chart is still trying to head up, but it looks like we're gonna probably push down a little bit right before 2 seconds. And actually no, so we did lose all of these trades just now because the chart is making higher highs. It's making new highs, guys. So these new highs are just coming in unexpectedly. So this is something that you can learn from, guys. So we did just lose 4 trades in a row, or 5 trades, because we're making new highs here. So on the way of making these new highs, you can see that we have the M forming up, right? The M is forming, okay? No doubt about that. The M is forming. I hate this ray tool, but as you can see, we also have a W. We also have a W on this 1 minute candle. So if we go to the 3 minutes, guys, you can see that we have a W forming up, as well as a short M kind of. If you go to the 30 seconds, you can see that this W is good formed up, guys. So let's take these tools off real quick, and you can see there is a clear W right here, meaning that we're going to create higher highs. But since we are oversold, I think now is the time that we're going to go ahead and start heading down. And I could probably even place a couple of 30-second trades for the down position. Let's go to the 10-second candles so that we can get sniper entry. As you can see, we're making our way back up, and then we're probably going to start heading down again. So making our way back up again, getting it some more. And guys, I'm really just betting on the down because it's a lot of support and resistance right here. We already created our higher highs. Now it's time for it to go down, guys. And as you can see, all of our trades right now are in profit. We are going down, and we have 20 seconds left on the minute trades and 7 seconds left on the 30-second trades. And this is how you can win all of your money back, guys. You know what direction this chart is going. Be confident in what your chart is gonna do, and this is how you can win all of your money back. So we have 4 seconds, and boom. This is how you be a fearless trader and start being more profitable in your trades. Because just because that we had, 4 wins in a row, and then boom, we doubled down because the chart was supposed to go down. See, look at this support and resistance right here. We're supposed to go down, but we are on a W. We are on a W. Even on, on every time frame, we're on a W. Even though we're on a downtrend, we're on a W. So the new highs are gonna get created. Let's go back to this 1 minute. The new highs are gonna get created. Now we're forming up that M, and you can see this M clearly on the minute time frame. Now the M is forming up, and even right here, you could probably place a 30-second trade for the up position because we have a big bearish candle right here coming in, and the bulls just might try to take this away in the next 30 seconds here. But just because you lost 4 in a row or 5 in a row, guys, you can always double back down because you know your chart is going to go down or up. It's just a matter of the time frame. And as you can see on these trades, some of these trades we lost in the last second, and we still had downwards momentum. So I just got back in it again. And like I said, once you have that strong downwards momentum on the 1 minute, or even on any candlestick besides 30 seconds and less, if you have a big candlestick, it's going to try and go the opposite way. So as you can see right here, big green candle, big red candle, and then it's just gonna resist every time you see a big candle. The other opposite candle is gonna resist, but not every time. If it is already on the trend, already on momentum, like right here, then it's gonna keep going down. But if it's out of nowhere, guys, so let's see one out of nowhere. So right here, we're out of nowhere, regular small candles, boom, big green candle, big red candle right there, guys. And then right here we have 2 red candles already. We have a big red candle, so we're not gonna go up just yet. because we're already in momentum. The red candle is going to go down. Now we have that doji looking thing. We got this long wick. Now we're going back up, guys, and that is how you could trade like the professionals. You lose some and then you win more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the links in the description where you can learn how to trade exclusively. You can learn how to start your online business, and I also do have a lot of trucking videos over on the channel, just in case you want to start a brick and mortar company, you want to get a driver to drive for you, you want to make passive income in the trucking industry, make $1,000 a day without doing any work at all. Go ahead, check out the videos and the channel, man. But with all that being said, my name is King Latta, and we out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please.